Welcome back, friends. Now you are watching IT Solution Nepal. It's me, Subhas. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more information. Okay, let's start today's examination of set 3. First of all, question number 1. CPU fetch the instruction from memory according to the value of option A program counter, option B status register, option C instruction register, option D program status code. Similarly, question number 2. A memory buffer used to accommodate a speed differential is called option A stack pointer, option B cache, option C accumulator, option D disk buffer. Question number 3. Which one of the following is the address generated by CPU? Option A physical address, option B absolute address, option C logical address, option D none of the mentioned. Question number 4. Runtime mapping from virtual to physical address is done by option A memory management unit, option B CPU, option C PCI, option D none of the mentioned. Question number 5. Memory management technique in which system store and retrieve data from secondary storage for use in main memory is called option A fragmentation, option B paging, option C mapping, option D none of the mentioned. Question number 6. Operating system maintains the page table for option A each process, option B each thread, option C each instruction, option D each address. Question number 7. Dot is a unique tag, usually a number, identify the file within the file system. Option A file identifier, option B file name, option C file type, option D none of the mentioned. Question number 8. To create a file, option A allocate the space in file system, option B make an entry for new file in directory, option C both A and B, option D none of the mentioned. Question number 9. Choose the correct HTML tag to make or text italic. Option A II, option B italics, option C italic, option D I. Question number 10. In operating system, each process has its own option A address space and global variable, option B open files, option C pending alarms, signal and signal handler, option D all of the mentioned. Question number 11. A set of process is deadlocked if option A each process is blocked and will remain so forever, option B each process is terminated, option C all processes are trying to kill each other, option D none of the mentioned. Question number 12. A process stack does not contain option A function parameters, option B local variable, option C return address, option D PID of child process. Question number 13. Which system call return the process identifier of terminated child? Option A wait, option B exit, option C fork, option D get. Question number 14. The processes that are residing in main memory and are ready and waiting to execute are kept on list called option A job queue, option B ready queue, option C execution queue, option D process queue. Question number 15. Processes are classified into different group in option A shortest job scheduling algorithm, option B round robin scheduling algorithm, option C priority scheduling algorithm, option D multi-level queue scheduling algorithm. Question number 16. To access the services of operating system, the interface is provided by the option A system calls, option B API, option C library, option D assembly instruction. Question number 17. The content of information are stored in option A memory data register, option B memory address register, option C memory arithmetic register, option D memory access register. Question number 18. Which of the following is secondary memory device? Option A keyboard, option B disk, option C ALU, option D all of the above. Question number 19. The programs which are as permanent as hardware and stored in ROM is known as option A hardware, option B software, option C firmware, option D ROMware. Question number 20. Which of the following memories must be refreshed many times per second? Option A static RAM, option B dynamic RAM, option C EPROM, option D ROM. Question number 21. Who invented slide rule? Option A John Napier, option B William Outred, option C Gottfried Leibniz, option D Blaise Pascal. Question number 22. From which generation computer the printer were used? Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth. Question number 23. Which of the following computer is not invented by J.P. Eckert and John Mauchly? Option A ENIAC, option B EDVAC, option C UNIVAC, option D EDSAC. Question number 24. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language at one time is called an option A interpreter, option B CPU, option C compiler, option D simulator. Question number 25. Excessive parallel processing is related to option A first generation, option B fourth generation, option C fifth generation, option D third generation. Question number 26. Which is the default alignment in Word? Option A left, option B right, option C center, option D justify. Question number 27. Following is used for creating presentation. Option A MS Word, option B MS Access, option C MS Excel, option D PowerPoint. Question number 28. File extension of Word document is option A .xls, option B .docx, option C .word, option D .jpeg. Question number 29. Word processing package allow user to option A edit text, option B save text, option C print text, option D all of the above. Question number 30. What is the gutter margin? Option A margin added to the left margin when printing, option B margin added to right margin when printing, option C margin added to the binding side of page when printing, option D margin added to the outside of the page when printing. Question number 31. Portrait and landscape are option A paper size, option B page layout, option C page orientation, option D page margin. Question number 32. Values of normal margin in inch in MS Word is option A left 0.5, right 0.5, top 0.5, bottom 0.5. Option B left 0.75, right 0.75, top 0.5, bottom 0.5. Option C left 1, right 1, top 1, bottom 1. Option D left 1.5, right 1.5, top 1, bottom 1. Question number 33. Which of the following method cannot be used to enter data in cell? Option A pressing an arrow key, option B pressing the tab key, option C pressing the escape key, option D clicking on formula bar. Question number 34. Which of the following is not a way to complete a cell entry? Option A pressing enter, option B pressing any arrow key on the keyboard, option C clicking the enter button on the formula bar, option D pressing space bar. Question number 35. Text formula. Option A replace or cell repaints, option B returns ASCII values of character, option C concatenate and manipulate text, option D show formula error value. Question number 36. Which of the following is not a basic step in creating a worksheet? Option A save workbook, option B modify the worksheet, option C enter text and data, option D copy the worksheet. Question number 37. To create a formula, you first select the cell you want to place the formula into. Option B type the equal sign to cell Excel that you are about to enter the formula. Option C enter formula using any input values and appropriate mathematical operator that make up your formula. Option D choose the new command from the file menu. Question number 38. When integrating Word and Excel, Word is usually the option A server, option B destination, option C client, option D both A, B and C. Question number 39. The name box shows the location of previously active cell. Option B, appears to the left of the formula bar. Option C, appear below the status bar. Option D, appear below the menu bar. Question number 40. Multiple calculation can be made in a single formula using option A, standard formula, option B, array formula, option C, complex formula, option D, smart formula. Question number 41. Comments put in cell are called option A, smart cell, option B, cell tip, option C, web tip, option D, soft tip. Question number 42. Which is used to perform what if analysis? Option A, solver, option B, goal seek, option C, scenario manager, option D, all of above. Question number 43. When a picture or other graphics image is placed in report header section, it will appear. Option A, once in the beginning of the report, B, at the top of every page, option C, every after record break on the first and last page of report. Question number 44. This data type allow alphanumeric characters and special symbols. Option A, text, option B, memo, option B, auto number, option D, none of the above. Question number 45. Query design window has two parts. The upper part shows name of fields, field type and size. Option B, tables with field and relationship between table. Option C, criteria. Option C, sorting checkbox. Question number 46. In a database table, the category of information is called A, tuple, B, field, C, record, D, all of above. Question number 47. Which of the following is not a database object? Option A, tables, option B, queries, option C, relationship, option D, report. Question number 48. In one-to-many relationship, the table in one side is called ... and one many side is called ... Option A, child parent, option B, parent child, option C, brother sister, option D, father son. Question number 49. Which tag insert a line horizontally on your web page? Option A, SR, option B, line, option C, line direction horizontal, option D, TR. Question number 50. Which tag allow you to add a row in a table? Option A, TD tag, option B, CR, option C, TH, option D, TR tag. Best of luck to all participate in this examination. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. And don't forget to invite your friends in this examination set.